pressing the trigger on your Dyson V10 and getting, well, nothing? Or maybe just a sad little whimper instead of that powerful suction you paid for? Infuriating, isn't it? If your Dyson V10 just can't work properly, refusing to power on, or lacking its usual oomph, you're not alone. This is a known headache for many V10 owners, and a prime suspect is often lurking inside. The culprit behind this cleaning crisis? Frequently, it's a faulty motor. The heart of your Dyson isn't pumping like it should, meaning no power to create that legendary suction. Ignoring this means more than just a dirty house. It can lead to complete motor failure, potential overheating risks, and let's face it, your premium vacuum becomes a very expensive paperweight. Plus, those dust bunnies? They're planning a takeover. So, your powerful Dyson V10 is misbehaving, and you suspect that faulty motor is the culprit? You've landed in exactly the right place. At RoboCare, tackling complex Dyson V10 motor issues is our specialty. Our technicians aren't just generalists. They have specific, in-depth training and years of experience with Dyson engineering, understanding the intricate workings of the Dyson V10 inside and out. We utilize specialized diagnostic equipment to accurately pinpoint motor faults, ensuring we're not just guessing. Once confirmed, our Dyson repair process involves meticulous disassembly, careful removal of the compromised motor, and replacement with a genuine motor. We ensure every connection is secure and every seal is perfect. But seeing is believing, right? Now we'll show you the impressive results of a RoboCare motor revival. And boom! After RoboCare works its magic, this Dyson V10 is back to its beast mode. That faulty motor is history, replaced and ready to tackle any mess with full power. Ready to get your Dyson roaring again? Visit our service center or use our convenient courier service. Visit our website or call us now for your vacuum not working woes.